Hello, Steve Des here from DesperateActor.com, and today we're going to talk about the 7 tools that every actor must have. These are tools that every actor must have in order to have their career propelled to the next level. And the first thing is marketing materials. You need your marketing materials. How else are you going to be marketed? Your marketing materials include your headshots, your resumes, your demo reels, your voiceover reels, all sorts of things that literally package you as an actor and you're able to be marketed to all these different auditions. Those are vitally important. That's why I named them my number 1 must-have tool. Now, number 2 will be casting websites such as Backstage, Casting Networks, Actors Access, Casting Frontier, all these different websites that people can submit your representation, or yourself, you can self-submit in order to get those roles that you're destined for. Number 3 of the tools that you must have will be IMDb, specifically IMDb Pro. It's important for you to have your own IMDb page, and how you are able to update this is through IMDb Pro. By having an IMDb Pro subscription, you can add pictures and alongside your credits whenever you're booking those particular roles. So that's an absolute must-have. The number 4 must-have that you need to have as an actor will be improv. Improv is highly important. It's extremely important. Not only does it look amazing on your resume, but actually when you possess those improv skills, it gives you so much flexibility, not only when you're in the room, but when you're actually on set. I can tell you just this little fun fact, but I had a very, very small role that ended up growing into a recurring character just because of my improv skills. Because within the range that I was allowed to improv, I was able to add so much more flavor into the actual character and allowed me to flourish that character and be renewed for seasons to come. So improv is a highly, highly important skill. Now, the next tool that you must have, and this will be number 5, will be a high quality camera and microphone. These days, there's a lot of self-tapes. These days, there's a lot of auditions that you do remotely. So it's important that you have a high quality camera and a high quality microphone. That way, when you're doing those self-tapes, you're not spending or scrambling to get that type of equipment. You already have it set up and you're pretty much good to go ahead and self-tape and hopefully book those roles. Now, number 6 of the tools that you must have as an actor will be your own creativity and imagination. Yes, I know this sounds simple. I know this doesn't sound like out of this world, but if you have your own creativity, if you're in touch with your imagination, you can really explore these characters that you're auditioning for, and you can add your own flavor and authenticity to it. And at the end of the day, that's what's going to separate you from the rest, because most people are going to be worried about lines or saying it the right way. But if you are focused on your own creativity and your imagination, you can add your specific tone, you can add your specific take, you can add your specific authenticity to that character. And last but not least, tool that you must have as an actor is the Dezperate Actor Program. Yes. So we have the Dezperate Actor Program, Cracking the Hollywood Code, and the 2.8 Supercharged Edition available right now. And these programs are designed to help you market yourself better as an actor within the acting industry. Now, whether it be Hollywood, Atlanta, New York, London, different parts around the globe that there's an entertainment industry, is very concentrated in Hollywood, specifically the Dezperate Actor Cracking the Hollywood Code. But all these are going to help you market yourself better and get the proper representation. So it's a must that you get that Dezperate Actor Program. Check it out at DesperateActor.com if it's something that interests you. And we have other things out there that you might be keen to, so definitely check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do. Comment below, what are the tools that you're missing in your toolbox? I would really like to know, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.